All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really nice sporty little sedan. This is a 2018 BMW 530i. In the later years, they started putting smaller displacement motors in these. This has a 2-liter, but it's twin turbo. So it's 248 horsepower, which is plenty. And they get all the power out of these things by putting an 8-speed transmission behind it. So you shift through the gears. It's even got paddle shifts here on the steering wheel. Pretty cool. It gets up and goes. I mean, real comfortable, good fuel efficient. This even has like a launch mode. I mean, the lady that had it was in her 70s, and I doubt she ever used launch mode, but I looked at it on the internet. It's kind of cool how it works. You know, it's just quarter-mile racing, I guess. But that probably will never happen to this car. It's finished in Glacier Silver. It's got the black interior, really comfortable. It's got 16-way power sport seats. It's got navigation. It's got heads-up display. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff. I'm missing all kinds of things when I'm describing this car, but I do have the window sticker. I got both keys. I have every service record, always serviced at the dealer. Well taken care of. It just had a service, so fresh oil change, and you know, they went over everything, make sure everything was good. But beautiful car and only 9,142 miles. That's the clincher. This car was $59,000 new. Now it's $26,900. Pretty inexpensive for a lot of car, and it looks like new too. We'll go up here and we'll take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we'll do our little walk around here, around our 2018 BMW 530i sedan. A nice little sporty sedan, comfortable, reliable. Little mid-size BMWs they're not too big. They're easy to drive. It's got a backup camera. It's got parking sensors. It's got lane assist. Lots of options on this one. Got the 18-inch wheels with some Eagle Sport run flats on there. The paint's beautiful. Nice condition. One owner car, California car, serviced only at the dealer. Only 9,141 miles on it. Always kept in a garage. Very clean. I'll show you the inside. It's like it's barely been sat in. The seats are, I don't think anybody's ever been in the back seat. It was an elderly lady that owned it. Very clean. It's got heads-up display. It has a touch screen. The iDrive 6.0. BMWs have this little knob in the center. Runs you through all the systems up there in that screen. And it's got an adjustable steering column, in and out, up and down. Heated seats, 16-way. Of course, a sunroof, moonroof. It's always nice to have. It's got the wood trim. They call it Fineline wood trim. Very elegant. There's that back seat. Like I said, it folds down if you want to put something, skis in the back seat or in the trunk or something like that. It fits in there. It's got the dual air controls there with little charging ports. LED lighting throughout. Also has ambient lighting, which is really nice. It's set to like a purple color now, but at night it's really cool. There's a line that goes around the whole interior of the car. Very nice. Good looking car with low mileage for half the price it was when it was new. Here's the power plant in the 2018 530i. Yeah, this year they had a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, twin turbo. Pretty neat. Not a whole lot of motor there, which means probably less maintenance. Well taken care of, like I said, serviced. It's backed by an 8-speed transmission with a sport shift, so it gets up and goes. Go ahead and start it for you. Of course, it's got the really cool proximity key with push button start. Even like when your doors open, even the chimes are like very calm, not annoying. Put your seatbelt on. Very nice. Not much to see under here, but it's just covered with plastic and super clean and quiet. Of course, it's got dual exhaust going out the back. But it's a nice family sedan, so you don't want to hear it like rapidy-rap like a lot of our classic muscle cars do. But nice car. If you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you this car. Maybe you got somebody in your family that needs a nice, reliable car, or you know, you don't want to spend a lot of money on a brand new BMW. This might be the one. Thanks for watching.